Good morning, students. In exercise 6a, now it is the turn of 18 sum. That is, two numbers are in the ratio 4:7. If their LCM is 168, find the numbers. So, two numbers are in the ratio 4:7 and their LCM is given 168. We have to find the numbers. See how we will. Let the numbers be 4x and 7x. Now we will find the LCM of 4x and 7x, and we can make equal to 168. So LCM of 4x and 7x is equal to 4 multiply 7 multiply x. 4 multiply 7 multiply x. In x flow, we had taken only x. So this LCM will come 4 7 are 28x. So LCM of 4x and 7x is coming 28x. And in question also it is given 168. We can make equal both. So 28x is equal to 168. X is equal to 168 upon 28. So 4 7 the 28, 4 4 the 16, 4 2 the 8, 7 6 the 42. So value of x is coming 6. We have to find the numbers. So first number is equal to 4x. We can put the value of x here. 4 multiplying value of x is coming 6 is equal to 4 6 are 24. Second number is equal to 7x is equal to 7 multiply 6 is equal to 42. So the numbers are 24 and 42. We can cross check also. We can cross check this answer also. How? By finding the ratio of 24 and 42. Ratio will come at 4:7. So now question number 20. After 18 we are doing 20 sum because they both are same. After this we will do 90. So the ratio between two numbers is 5:9. Ratio between two numbers is given 5:9. Find the numbers if their HCF is 60. In the previous sum LCM was given, but in this sum HCF is given. So let the numbers be 5x and 9x. Now what we will find? HCF of 5x and 9x. So HCF means common factor. What are common factors in this? Only x. So HCF of 5x and 9x is x. So according to the question, x is equal to what is given? 16. What is HCF of 5x and 9x? HCF is x. In the question it is also given 16. So HCF is equal, x is equal to 16. It is the value of x. We have to find the numbers. So first number is equal to 5x. So 5 multiply 16 is equal to 80. Then second number is equal to 9x. It means 9 multiply 16 is equal to 144. So the numbers are 80 and 144. Now student 21 sum. That is a bag contains rupees 1600. Total amount at bag contains rupees 1600 in the form of rupees 10 and rupees 20 notes. In that bags only rupees 10 notes and rupees 20 notes. If the ratio between the number of notes of rupees 10 and rupees 20 is 2:3, find the total number of notes in all. So see, get the number of notes of rupees 10 and rupees 12 be 2x and 3x. In that batch, number of notes of rupees 10 are 2x and rupees 20 3x. So if the two notes, suppose if the two notes are in bag of rupees 10, so total number of rupees 20, because two notes of 10, it means 2 multiply 10, 20. In the same way, how many notes are in the bag? 2x notes of rupees 10. So total amount of rupees 10 in bag, 10 multiply 2x is the amount of rupees 10 notes. And in that bag, in the same bag, rupees 20 notes also. It means plus 20 multiply how many notes of 20? 3x. Listen by one example. Suppose you have 10 rupees note and 20 rupees note. 10 rupees note you have 3. It means how much amount you have? 30 rupees of 10 rupees. And 20 rupees note you have 2. It means how much amount you have? 40. Now total amount you have rupees 70. In the same way, how many notes of rupees 10? 2x. So rupees 10 multiply 2x. 2x is like 3x. Then rupees 20, how many notes? 3x notes. So 20 multiply 3x. And addition of both. Like here 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. It means total amount you have 70. And total amount in bag 10 into 2x plus 20 into 3x is the total amount in bag. But in question it is given a bag contains rupees 1600. So it is the total amount rupees 1600 and this amount in terms of x total amount. So we can make both the amounts equal. So is equal to 1600. Now we will solve this portion first. So 10 multiply 2x, 20x plus 20 multiply 3x, 23 is a 60x is equal to 1600. So 20x plus 60x, 80x is equal to 1600. X is equal to 1600 upon 80. So x is equal to 0 to 0, 8 to the 16 and 0. So value of x is coming 20. So it means what we have to find the total number of notes in all. So first we will find the number of notes of rupees 10. So number of notes of rupee 10. How many notes we get? 2x. It means 2 multiply 20. It means how many notes of rupees 10? 20 notes. Number of notes of rupee 20 is equal to 3x is equal to 3 multiply 20 is equal to 60. So number of notes of rupee 10 is 40. Number of notes of rupees 20 is 60. But in question is asking find the total number of notes. So total number of notes is equal to 40 plus 60 is equal to 100 notes. So total number of notes are 100.